Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. As always, we're going to start off with our most repurchased items. So tissues, 175 count. I love these boxes. I did buy 3 of the toilet papers, or bath tissue, toilet tissue, whatever you want to call it. Mega My Size paper towels. I believe there's 168 count. I am not, entirely sure. I got some very small foam plates, and I did get the paper plates as well. I got this Fresh Cup coffee filters, 150 count. I did get a 30 count foil. Some matches for my candles. My Dollar Tree hardly ever has those lighters in stock, so I just used the matches. I did get a Renews It Snuggle homemade apple pie freshener, the toilet bowl cleaner, and new today, I thought this was a really good deal, the Ajax laundry packs extreme clean, and you get 16 for $1 in the scent Mountain Air. So I did get 2 packages of the heavy duty batteries, double A's, 2 of the Good Scent Handles garbage bags. I love the Handles bags. I did pick up quite a bit of different candies and snacks today, because in October, it is almost October now, we have a projector. We've had it since summer, and we're going to watch through a big bunch of Halloween kind of themed movies, and I just went ahead and bought some snacks to put back for our movie nights that we're going to start having. Also in the Halloween candy aisle, I did pick these sixlets up. There's 28 in here. And I also picked up these Tutti Frutti bubblegum eyeballs. I thought Connor would really get a kick out of those. Peanut butter M&Ms, Wadberry Skittles. We got some watermelon gummies to try. We've never tried these before. Some Pixie Sticks, some Sour Patch Kids. I also just randomly picked up these fruit snacks and these Brims cheese balls. Also, for food items, they had a large size of the Hunt's ketchup for only $1, and a decent sized bottle of A1 for only $1. So, I did forget an item to share at the very beginning, but this is the Suavital Complete, and this is the Stain Shield products, kind of scent booster that you add to your laundry. And I got Floral Burst. I actually really enjoyed this. It works fantastic. Well, I got cotton balls, cotton rounds, and safety swabs, and all-day allergy relief. There is 14 tablets in here, so there is 14 doses, this is comparable to Zyrtec. I did get a nasal relief spray, and this is the mint one. They had an original kind of one as well, or just plain Jane one, but I did grab the mint, and I bought this mini sewing kit at the register, which I thought was just adorable. Also picked up more hand sanitizer, big surprise, a secret deodorant, and this time I was feeling apple scent, so I got the Suave Juicy Green Apple Conditioner because I like to shave my legs using conditioner. It's a very nice shave. If you have never tried it, you definitely should, because you can technically dry shave using conditioner, and it's a very close, smooth, moisturizing shave. Fun for Connor, I did pick up these Dippin' Dots ice cream bath bombs, and these are in cookies and cream. They don't really smell through the package, but I know that he's going to love these. And another totally random find, and I've picked these up in the past, is just a water bottle with some Marvel characters on there. Stationary finds today. I finally found the Jot magnifying sheet. I've been looking for one of these forever and found them today. And then the invisible tape by Jot, and I'm going to use this for nail art, stamping and such, so That's all that's for it. Didn't have to be anything special. And I did get the 2-pack legal pads, and these are, there's 50 sheets total, and each notebook is 25 sheets. And I just basically got this notebook to write YouTube bullet points, reviews, true crime script kind of things. I like to stay organized like that, so request, whatever have you, I'm always going through the notebooks. And I found Connor, because he loves Dr. Seuss, the color in an activity book. I may have already picked up one of these in the past, but that's okay, because we both like the color, so none of that matters. It'll be colored. And then this one brings me into my next set of fun finds and the final finds, which are my favorite finds. But I did pick up a Halloween jumbo coloring book and activity, and it includes 2 bookmarks, and I just thought this was super duper cute. And once again, Connor likes to color, I like to color, and if Connor doesn't color this, I'm most certainly coloring this. The Halloween finds today were spider cobwebs, and they had green, black, orange, white, and purple. I got purple this time. Last year we had a green, I believe, but I just really liked the purple, and I have some other decorations that I already bought for this, and we're going to do that one day this week. I did pick him up this cute mummy glittery gift kind of box, because I have a bunch of stuff to put in there from my last haul and from Five Below that I picked up today to make him a Halloween basket, bucket, whatever you want to call it. And this Cupcake Kit, and there's 24 pieces in here, and you get the cute liners, the pumpkins, and the ghost. And I really loved, absolutely adored the witch pumpkin cupcake kit, but I know that Connor would enjoy the pumpkin and the ghost much more, so I picked this up. And here we are down to the end. I did pick up some elastics. I like to wear my hair in braids. I like to wear my hair up, and these technically won't hold my hair in a ponytail, but I can use them for braids, and they're close. They're brown, and I have brown hair, so I picked those up. I also got this really cute scrunchie with the daisies on it. I got some cosmetic wedges, and these are super soft in comparison, and the ones that I like to sponge with I'm almost out of, and I'm hoping these will be a close dupe. If so, I'm going to go buy a bunch of them, because I love the more porous sponge over the more dense sponge. They had some Milani lashes, and these are not new to my store. I've saw them there before, but this style I do not own, and I got Wispy Dramatic. Just thought it would be fun to try out one day, because I typically don't wear dramatic long lashes like those and as thick as those. I like just regular wispy kind of short lashes. So, and I found a Milani eyeliner today, a Stay Put matte eyeliner in Safari, which is green. That might be fun. I also got a hard candy lip color very close to this, so I thought maybe they could pair together. And a couple things from e.l.f. Picked up the Hydrating Water Sheet Mask from e.l.f. Just one to try. And also from e.l.f. they had the jelly highlighters, they had some lip liners, eyeliners, they had some darker foundations there. They had a ton of stuff from e.l.f. I've even seen Profusion popping up in Dollar Trees as well, but not mine. And so I got the e.l.f. Cover Everything Concealer in Light. So we'll see. I think it might still be a little orangey and maybe too dark, but we will see. I mostly want to try this out under my brows for brow cleanup, but we'll see. So that is everything I got from the Dollar Tree today. I hope you enjoyed the haul, and stay tuned for more videos. If you want any reviews or anything like that, just let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see used in a video or a review. Check the description box as well as the cards so you don't miss any additional links. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching, and happy shopping.